Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Swift Dzire's Bluetooth to your phone. It's a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy hands-free calls and stream your favorite audio directly through your car's speakers. We'll go over each step clearly, ensuring you can easily pair your device and make the most of your car's connectivity features. Get ready to enhance your driving experience with seamless integration. First things first, let's get both your car and phone ready. Turn on your Swift Dzire's ignition and make sure the infotainment system is active. Then, navigate to the Bluetooth settings on your car's display. Simultaneously, grab your mobile phone, open its settings menu, and enable Bluetooth. It's also important to ensure your phone's Bluetooth is discoverable so your car can find it easily. Now that both devices have Bluetooth active, it's time to pair them. On your car's infotainment screen, look for an option like Add New Device or Pair Device and select it. Your phone's name should then appear in the list of available devices on the car's display. Simply select your phone's name from that list. A pairing code will appear on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm that they match to proceed. Once you've confirmed the pairing code, congratulations! Your phone and your Swift Dzire are now successfully connected. This means you can effortlessly make and receive calls hands-free, keeping your focus on the road. Plus, you can stream all your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks directly through your car's excellent sound system. For future drives, your phone should automatically reconnect, making it super convenient every time you get in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.